before the session, the vocabulary words are the most important because this sounds like a job interview. It's like you're giving giving an answer in a job interview. Then we all think, अरे कितना बोलेगा, ठीक है ना, सुन लिया मैंने, क्या मतलब बस, it's not 10, 100 crore rupees I'm giving you. And it's like having biryani and then coming home and having boiled chawal, right? Hi, good evening.
Good evening. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also fine.
Great. Just give me 1 second.
Okay. Take your
Okay.
time.
No, don't worry. I was just writing down your session details. That's all. Welcome to your session. Good evening. My name is Divya.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I call you Kali or should I call you
Yeah,
something?
yeah, it's okay.
All right. Perfect.
Everyone asks me by what name they should call me, by Kali or by Prasanna.
Yeah, because a lot of people have preferences, so we just ask them to make sure that we don't irritate them or annoy them in any way.
Yeah, you are right. It is better to ask than to
Definitely.
annoy.
Yeah. So, have you gone through the document? Are you excited for today's session?
Yeah, I went through, but I didn't get that much time. I just after completing my task, uh, I just got few minutes, and there I came to know that the topic is about deep ocean and outer space.
Yes. Okay. So, whenever you don't have the time to look at the document, try to make just 2 minutes and go through the sorry, go through the vocabulary words. Okay.
Okay.
So before the session, the vocabulary words are the most important because the reason we give you the vocabulary words. Now I'll show you some of the words for today. Okay. We have words like alien, solar system, meteor, spacecraft, explore, comet, telescope, gravity, satellite, wonder, amazement, mermaid, seashells. Now, these are all things that we want you to use in the conversation. Because when you're talking to a college friend or when you're talking to your parents, you don't use these words, right?
No.
So, this is the place where you're supposed to experiment. You're supposed to come try these words. And if you're incorrect, then the speaker will tell you, no, this is how we use the word, or this is a better word to use in that conversation. Okay.
Okay.
So, vocabulary words are the most important. Questions, if you don't read, it's completely fine because questions you have to answer anyway, like when we get here, right? And
Okay.
questions are just there because if you and I don't have anything to talk about, we can look at the questions. But the topic is about us. We can talk about anything related to deep space or deep ocean or outer space.
Okay.
Okay, great. We have an extempore. Should we start with that?
Yeah.
Okay. The topic is rural development, or why is humor an important life skill?
Yeah. I want to go with humor.
The second topic. Okay. Why
Yeah.
is humor an important life skill?
Yeah. It's an important life skill. It should be with everyone. It should be in everyone to make the environment friendly, uh, so that uh, each and every person get acquainted with one another.
Mhm.
A sense of humor makes us feel good and makes the surrounding better. We can easily communicate. We can. Everybody don't have the way to that sense of humor, but
Mhm.
by trying, one can also achieve it. One can also get to make a good sense of humor. uh, Sense of humor, through sense of humor we can communicate, we can create healthy environment, and the shyness which is inside us, it's slowly it's fade away.
Slowly, it can fade away.
Slowly it can fade away. um, Sense of humor, the person who has a good sense of humor can make friend easily. They have good relationship. They are creative. They are productive. They can complete their task on before deadline or on time, we can say. Yeah.
This sounds like a job interview. It's like you're giving giving an answer in a job interview. But you said it really well. Okay, don't worry about that. Whatever you said is correct. Okay, and very impressive actually. So congratulations on that. Very nice.
Thank you.
One mistake. You said a important life skill. What is the correction over there? Can you think of it?
The important life skill.
Okay, there's another one. You said a important life skill.
Mm, can you give me hint?
Do you say a elephant?
No,
What do we
an
say?
important life skill
Yes, an important life
related to
skill because
article.
it's exactly because important starts with an I. We know this, right? So it is an important life skill. So what you said was sense of humor is a important life skill because okay.
Okay.
Now, other than that, whatever you said was very interesting. I was a little worried that did you prepare for this? Were you writing the answer when you
No, no.
before the session? No, but
I just.
I realized later you thought about it. I know, trust me.
Oh,
In the start, I was like, did he learn this answer? Because you're using words like open environment, creative, make the person feel shy, like make a shy person open up. So everything you said was good. It was too good. That's why I started doubting it. But don't worry, it was really nice. Okay.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. One more thing you can say is when a person has a sense of humor, the person they're talking to, or you can say when a person has a sense of humor, it helps others feel less pressure and feel more open, like they can share more.
Yeah, they can be. It creates openness.
Yeah, openness is not really the correct word to use over here. You can say
Okay.
it can create um, it can create like a space where people can be themselves. They don't have to be fake. They can be authentic, right?
Okay.
So if I know that you crack a lot of jokes and you're a funny person, I can talk to you about a movie. I can easily talk to you about, I remember this one time I got caught by the cops because I was not wearing a helmet on my bike. And, it's very easy to start a conversation with them or share stories. It becomes very easy. So
Yeah,
do you think you have a sense of humor?
I have, but little, not that much that my friend has.
Oh, is there someone who's funnier than you?
Some of my friends are very funny. They crack a joke or whatever. When many people are, when friends we get together or we are together,
Mhm.
they crack something say like that that create more funny environment, more good environment. What to say?
Okay, no problem. That was good. So you can see again, you are confusing yourself. Try to keep the sentence simple. I have a couple of friends who are much funnier than me, and when we get together, or when our friends get together, they make everyone laugh and they make sure that the atmosphere or the environment is very friendly. Okay, and then just stop the sentence over there. What you're doing is you're saying one part of the sentence, and then you're like, okay, I have to add one more thing. 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 And then you get confused. What do I say? Right?
Yeah,
Sometimes you will say one, two, three, and then say one again, and then say three again, right? Because you just want to add to it. No, it's fine. Even if a sentence has one and two, it's completely fine. So don't feel like you have to keep talking. Okay?
okay.
Knowing that's the most confusing part about any new language. You have to know what to say and you have to know when to stop.
Yeah,
Because if you keep talking, the other person will get bored or they will not want to talk to you, or you'll end up making mistakes or repeating yourself. Then we all think अरे कितना बोलेगा ठीक है ना सुन लिया मैंने क्या मतलब बस that's how other people think, right?
you are right.
Okay, cool. So now should we move on to the main topic?
What?
Should we move to the main topic now?
Sorry, actually, outside crackers are burning. That's why
Someone
your
is,
voice.
you can say someone is bursting crackers outside.
Yeah, someone is. There is a Bharat. What to say? Bharat जा रही है तो बम बजा रहे हैं.
Acha. So you can say that they are celebrating a wedding.
Yes, they celebrate in outside. There is a noise of celebrating a wedding.
Okay. Is there a different room you can go to without a window?
No, this time there is no room.
Okay, no problem. I'll just try to speak a little louder. Okay. Is this
Yeah,
better?
yeah, this is better.
Okay, this is better. So now we'll move on to the main topic. Obviously, my first question to you, Kali, is what would you prefer, deep ocean or outer space?
Yeah, I would like to prefer deep. No, sorry. I would like to prefer outer space.
Okay, so let's assume I'm a billionaire. Okay. And I'm
Okay.
giving you 10 crore rupees, not 10, 100 crore rupees I'm giving you. And I'll tell
Okay.
you can explore the deep ocean or you can explore the outer space and you choose outer space, right?
Yeah.
How would you like to spend that money? How would you like to invest or what would you like to investigate?
First of all, I want to know about the environment. In space, there is no need of environment.
Yeah.
I am going to say that there is a good environment.
No. So you can say there's a good view.
Yeah, the good view, good. There is a better view than better
Okay.
view than
Change.
Earth.
See, when you get confused, change the sentence completely. Okay.
Okay.
Because English is just putting words to an emotion. Right now, you are excited to see the view in space, right? And you are comparing that with the scenery or the views on Earth. So try to change the sentence in a different way. Try to say, I have seen a lot of beautiful places in on the Earth or on Earth, but now I want to go and explore the stars. I want to look at other planets. See, now that is a different way, but the emotion is still the same because you want to look at the view, right?
Yeah.
So try saying something like that.
Okay. In outer space, there is a different view. As on Earth, we have seen so many different views, but outer space has different view which can't be described in words. As there are much more things to explore. There are things like meteoroids, asteroids, as well as comets, shooting stars. There are galaxies. Uh, uh, uh,
That's okay. See, again, you're trying to add more things to a sentence. See,
yeah,
we've already given 5 examples. You don't have to give 6, you don't have to give 10. 5 is good. It's fine. You've spoken about so many things: stars, meteors, galaxy, asteroids, right? Bus, enough. It's okay. Okay. So where would you like to live in outer space? Would you live in that space station or would you go land on a planet and build a house? What would you do? Let's say you have to survive for 1 year.
if I have to survive for 1 year, I would like to stay on planet, any planet.
Which one?
What?
Which planet?
Which planet? Actually, people are scientists are working on Mars. That's why I want to go on Mars because there is little hope of water there.
Yes. So I think the reason people are saying Mars is because I don't think Mars has water right now. It had water. We found evidence that at some point in time, Mars had water. Mars had oceans also. Okay. So
Okay.
what they are saying is Mars has the closest environment to Earth. And if we edit it, if we keep adjusting the environment, we can make another Earth. It's possible. It's very expensive. It will take a lot of time, but we can do it. but
Yeah.
we don't have any other option. We don't have an extra planet, you know. We've already ruined Earth, so we have to find a new planet now. So you would try to survive on Mars for a year?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you think of some challenges that you would find?
Challenges like atmosphere.
There is no atmosphere on Mars.
What?
There is no atmosphere on Mars.
Yeah, that's the problem.
So
Absence
how
of
can
atmosphere.
atmosphere be a problem if there's no atmosphere?
Absence of atmosphere.
Absence of atmosphere. Yes, good.
Yeah.
What else? What other problems will you face?
As well as there will be problem of eating. Uh,
Okay.
we can't take a food that we consume on Earth in the same. No, we can't consume the food on Mars like we consume it on Earth. So this is also a problem. The problem of water is also there.
Mhm.
There are many problems.
Yeah.
The maybe there is lightning problem.
Okay. Lightning, as in it will be very dark over there.
Yeah, dark
So don't say lightning. Lightning is what happens when it rains, when there is a storm. Lighting.
lighting.
Okay.
There is a dark everywhere. There is a darkness, and
It would be very dark on Mars.
it would be very dark on Mars.
Yes.
Mm,
Okay, that's enough. See, again, I'm going to stop you because it's my fault. I told you to add more things. So I'm sorry, but we'll continue. Okay.
okay.
So once you've discovered all these things, would you want to return to Earth? Once you look at stars, once you look at asteroids, once you look at Mars as a planet, Earth will be so. It's like having biryani and then coming home and having boiled chawal, right?
Can you explain this in Hindi?
Okay. Once you see Mars, okay, it's going to be beautiful, right? So it's like having biryani. Biryani is the best, probably one of the best dishes that we can have, right?
Yeah.
So when you come back to Earth, Earth will feel like plain rice, like just
Yeah.
boiled rice without salt, without any taste, without any masala. How will you survive on Earth? Because everything will look so, this is so ugly. Like you will look at the best sunset Earth has, and you'll be like, oh, this is Mars was 10,000 times better.
Surviving alone is not better, but with family, friends, it's better.